Second U.S. nurse to contract Ebola flew on a commercial flight. A second Dallas nurse who cared for an Ebola-infected patient from Liberia has been diagnosed with the virus. The second case comes after another Dallas nurse, Nina Pham, became the first person to be infected with Ebola in the U.S. over the weekend. Several nurses who cared for deceased Ebola patient Thomas Eric Duncan claimed that their protective suits were insufficient to protect them from infection. Previous CDC guidelines left a wearer's head, neck, and shoes exposed. The hospital's director said more than 70 healthcare workers may have come into contact with Duncan during his care, including newly infected nurse Amber Joy Vinson. Vinson took a Frontier Airlines flight from Dallas to Cleveland on October 10th. Her temperature reportedly rose to 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit before she boarded the return flight to Dallas on October 13th. FlightAware shows the plane used on Vinson's flight returned to Cleveland the next morning, then went on to Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport in Florida, back to Cleveland, then went to Atlanta, Georgia, then back again. U.S. health officials are now seeking all 132 people who were on Vinson's flight to interview them and monitor their conditions. Government officials say Vinson has been flown to Emory University Hospital in Atlanta, which has successfully treated 2 people who contracted Ebola in West Africa.